Times were tough in the late 1970s. Minimum wage, $2.90. A dozen eggs, 89 cents. Gasoline was up to 90 cents. And a brand new Honda Accord was anywhere from $1,800 to $3,300. Really made the American triped seem like a steal. For around $1,000, you too could achieve 77 miles per gallon with a whopping top speed of 30 miles per hour. It's hard to believe they didn't sell too many more than 1,000 of these. And if you thought the Pagani Zonda R was lightweight, you should try this piece of machinery. Not only is it over 1,000 pounds lighter than a Pagani Zonda R, you won't be sad if it gets a scratch. At the end of the day, the choice is easy. You can't afford a Pagani Zonda R, so you best start saving your pennies in case a triped comes along. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it. They're fun. You'll like it. I promise. I never sat on this thing and didn't have a smile. As soon as I looked at it, big smile, big bad smile, bigger than a Pagani Zonda R smile for sure. Now stick around for a short, quick, fun ride along on an American triped.
I'm leaning. I'm leaning. I'm leaning. I'm leaning. I'm leaning. I can't lean no further.